we are, entering the last sector of the galaxy. This is the planet Earth. Prepare to land and negotiate peace relations with the inhabitants. We are approaching the landing site, Commander Zorak. We are now landing. Open the hatch, Nicto.
Hey, look what I found!
Yeah, what'd you find?
It's a frisbee!
Excellent. Here. Whoops. Here we go. I got it.
See if it flies!
Oh, look, good try. Let's just try it again.
Oh,
good
God!
try. Well, here.
It's caught in the tree.
Commander Zorak, what's wrong? We've been attacked. We haven't even started making peace negotiations with them. They're obviously savage. Open the hatch. Oh,
Get out of the tree!
yeah, I'll help you. Get it out of the tree.
Quick!
All right, be careful. Get out of the tree.
Okay, here.
There.
I think it's out of the tree now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go get it.
Try to catch it.
Where is it?
You're standing on it.
Oh! There it is. There's a bunch of mud on it. Let me get it off. Okay, here.
Okay, I'm gonna catch it. I missed. Rip. What a cheap frisbee.
Golly,
Now
that's
let me
cheap.
bring back.
Oh. I'm gonna put some ending music on it.